Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Moran, and I'm here today with Ron, who has been under our neuropathy program for a few weeks. And he would like to share some of the progress he has made with you. Good morning, Ron. Welcome, and thank you for taking the time to share your story with my viewers.
Good morning, Dr. Moran.
Ron, how long have you had neuropathy?
Approximately 4 or 5 years.
And how old are you?
69.
And what symptoms did you have before you had treatment? How did you feel?
Waking up in the morning or slowly just before waking up, I would have involuntary muscle movement in my legs, jumpiness.
Okay.
That's the best way I could describe it. And throughout the day and nonstop, it was like my feet up to the higher part of my ankle felt like they were wrapped in saran wrap, and a loss of sensation in my toes, arches, heel area. I couldn't feel very well. I just lost sensation there.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Did you have any problems with balance?
Yeah, I had to widen my girth because I would find myself losing the balance or tipping to one side or the other. So I would widen my step when I was walking, and also when I was standing.
Okay. And before coming to our office, did you have any other type of treatment?
Seen by a medical doctor, and they prescribed some medication, Rebellis, for my A1C to lower that from an 11 down to 8.9, maybe I am.
Okay.
And I asked them about my venous stasis and colorization of my from my knees down to my ankles, and they just told me to wear compression socks. They didn't really put a lot of effort into it.
Okay, so they didn't really address the neuropathy itself or the numbness, just to wear compression socks.
It's about all they told me.
Okay. Did you have any other treatment, such as physical therapy or acupuncture?
No.
Okay. So the treatment with the compression socks and the medication didn't seem to be effective for your neuropathy?
Not at all.
Okay. Okay. Let's talk about some of the progress you've experienced since you started care. After the first treatment, did you notice any changes?
The restless leg spasm type things went away.
Okay.
They were non-existent, and until this day, they're not happening.
Okay. And after about the fourth treatment, you said you noticed a change in the saran wrap feeling. Could you tell us a little bit about that?
It seemed like it lowered on my leg,
Okay.
and parts of my extremities, like the edges of my toes and outer parts of my ball of my foot, seemed to have more of not a pressure feeling but a sensation type feeling.
Okay. And after about the eighth treatment you received, you removed your feet from the water bath and you noticed a change. Could you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, you had a cotton towel underneath a plastic tub that held the water. Mm-hmm. And when I took my foot out, I set it down on the cotton towel, and I could feel the cotton nodules in the material.
And you couldn't feel that before?
No, not at all.
Okay. Okay, so Ron, would you recommend this treatment protocol for other people who are experiencing the same symptoms?
Most definitely. It's a large improvement.
Okay, thank you, Ron.
You're welcome, Doctor.
Now, Ron is only at the beginning course of his treatment, and he has made some remarkable changes in a short amount of time. He continues to progress with increased feeling in his legs. His thermography scan shows improvement. Prior to treatment, his toes were not even visible on the scan, and only after 8 treatments the improved blood flow can be witnessed where the toes now appear. Even the blotchiness of his venous stasis appears to be diminishing. So, if you would like to find out more information about our treatment protocol or try it yourself, you can check out our website at drjosephmoran.com, check us out on Facebook, or call our office at 570-417-7613. Thank you, and have a great day.